heel erg lastig.
Ja, het is eigenlijk nog wat te iets. Zelf ook te wel wezen. Meter 40 had ik.
Silke and Vera cleaned all the stalls and the hay nets. They filled the Reintje and Dolly. Everything is clean. Very happy with that. And here are the horses. Sally, Teije Rein, Reintje en Dolly. Hey Sally. Reissie. Hey. Belle, Yveske, Boukje and Blomke. Yeah, of course. But who is who? This is Boukje, and behind is Blomke. And they have some hay over here. They can't go here yet because we fixed the drainagebuis, the drain or something. And in this one I still had some water, but I cleaned it and the water is over here. And I think if I let the horses here now, they're going to play here and maybe they... Oh, misschien is erin graven en ik heb geen zin om dat weer op te rommen. But they can stay here. And yes, it's a bit muddy, but it's not that bad. Hey, Belle. Een Boukje. Hey, Yveske. And Blomke. And they have a lot of water, but they also have water over here. And I have to put the power on. Over here are the ponies. Hey, Peach. Glendy. Hey, oh, Glendy is so fluffy. Oh. And Daisy. Peach is also fluffy. Daisy, you also, and you are a bit thick. So hopefully she's still in full. We don't know. Hey. Oh, you have more and more white hair over there. Good so. And the sheep are in the sheep chalet. Dutch, Pelja and Adeline. Hi there. I'm in the pasture again. And yesterday it rained a lot. So there's some water again. Last time I was over there. And this ditch is empty. So that's perfect. And now I found where the other one's from. Yes, here. So I have to do this. Then it's gonna be okay. Comes some water already. Okay, now it isn't going that fast, so I put this one in. Maybe it helps, but not yet. I don't know. Hello? Well, I don't know. But there's coming some water. No, I think I have to wait, and maybe later I can find this one. And then to the next. I found something. Okay, I was with my arm over there, and then it fell, or... Yes. Yay. That's it. So that's perfect. That one is going to here, here, here. Yes. This is perfect. Teije Rein. Goed zo, braaf. Goed zo, jongen. The wind is blowing very hard, but Teije Rein stays a bit of relaxed. Goed zo. Draf. Draf. Goed zo, braaf. Okay, and trot is a bit friskier. Friskier? Is that the word? Goed zo, braaf. Rustig. Okay, I have to help with 2 hands. So, bye. Goed zo, jongen. Braaf. Eraf. Goed zo. Oh, rustig. Braaf. Oh, oh. Rustig. Okay. He's not going that fast anymore. Yes, he do. Oh, he has to slow down a bit. And his left shoulder is inside, but oh, I can't explain it that good in English. But he has to bend, yes, like this, a bit more, not that much. But this is good. Rough. And there, his shoulder is coming in, so that's not good. But I have to fix that with 2 hands. So, bye! Glendy and Daisy. Hey! Kom maar! Bella. Peach. Kom maar. Kom maar. Boukje en Blomke. Hey. Please don't eat my shoes. No. Good morning. I want to try something with this. Kom Reisje. En Teije Rein. Kom. Oh. Okay. Be careful. I think they were scared of the noise from the other side because there are some people working on the house. That's what I mean. Oops. Dus bellen. Reintje. They don't mind. Kom eens. Yvke with Reisje. No? That's it? Peach. No. Fail. Reisje, you? Okay. Glendy en Daisy. Yvke and her brother Teije Rein. Do you want to try, Reintje? And Dolly? That's it? Sally? Yuck. Okay. Finally, someone likes it. Now, Sally, in the box? Or do you want to taste it? No? Come on. In the box. Oh no. Don't. Hey. The smell is awful. Do that in your stall, please. Come. I'm glad she's not that lame. That's a good sign. Come, in a box. In a box. In a box. No. Come on. In a box. Beach. Glendy. Oh, lekker. Hey. And Daisy. Huh? Daisy? Yes, there she comes. Daisy? Daisy? Hello? Kom eens. Boukje en Blomke. Daisy, you have to go that way. Reintje. Hello? Okay, now it's gone. And now I have to clean everything. Thank you. Yuck.